Yo, what is up? So in this video, we're going to be making this simple sprint system. This is pretty easy, so yeah, let's just hop into it. So if you're using any of the versions that uses the new input action system, you want to hop into the third person folder or whatever. If you're using first person, doesn't matter. Just go to that folder, go to input actions. We're gonna duplicate the jump and we're gonna call this sprint, and then we're gonna hop over to input, go to the IMC default, and we will add our sprint right here. And then you want to select the key value you want your sprint button to be. We're gonna use a left shift, and then we'll hop into our third person blueprint. Then we're going to go to our character movement, set our max walk speed right here. I'm going to divide that in half, so 250. You're going to find an empty area. We're going to grab our sprint, input action sprint right here. Let's grab our character movement. We're going to pull off here and do set max walk speed to the started. We're going to set this to 500, and then we'll copy and paste this. Hook that up to the completed. We'll set that to 250. Also, don't forget to connect your character movement to this. Compile, save, and that should work. So yeah, right now if we walk, we just walk, and if we hold sprint, it'll sprint, and if we release, you go back to walking. And yeah, that's pretty much it. But there's a few other things you can do for sprint. If you would prefer for it to be, instead of like hold and release, what you could do, if you want to just like press the left shift once and then you'll just sprint, you don't have to hold it, we can add in a flip flop and connect that in, and then hook the A to the run speed and then the B to the walk speed, disconnect the completed. And yeah, now when you do it that way, you just have to press left shift once and you'll keep running, and if you press it again, you'll stop running. Yep, pretty easy to do. Also, if you're using a version of Unreal Engine that doesn't use the enhanced input action system, you can just do left shift. I'm gonna get rid of the flip flop. I prefer the hold, so pressed and released. Yeah, you can do it that way as well. Or the old input system, you can go into input or edit, project settings, input. This is the way you used to do action mappings. You do plus, come down here, add sprint, and you come down here, you make left shift, and you can pull the sprint in that way. Right here, action event sprint, and you can use that instead. I'm not using that input action system, so I don't think it'll work. Well, I guess it does still work. But yeah. Okay, yep, it does work still. But yeah, that's the old system. The new system, a little bit better. But let's just hook that back up to the new system here. Yep, that's pretty much it. It's pretty easy. Pretty easy. Yeah, that's gonna be it for this one. If you're new around here, definitely subscribe. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you have any suggestions for tutorials you would like to see, definitely leave them down in the comments. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.